Welcome to Rich Keys channel, where we unlock wealth one candle at a time. Here, charts don't lie and neither do we.
Disclaimer, not financial advice. The information provided on this channel is for informational and demonstration purposes only, and should not be considered as personalized financial, investment, or trading advice.
Welcome back, traders. Today is Sunday, the 20th of July. It's about 1:50 p.m. New York time. And as usual, as I always do on the weekend, I do analyze the major pairs, gold, Bitcoin. And this afternoon, I'm analyzing gold to see what this week chart would present. So this is the daily chart of gold. And I want to first present my thesis to let you know where and where my mindset is. So on the daily setup, we have two important structures that I'm tracking. We have a bullish flag on the daily chart. This goes all the way back down, and this is the bullish flag. And ever since we attempted going outside the flag, we've been pushed back down. We're still consolidating within these pennant triangle right here, this green triangle that you see that I've drawn here. We're still within this triangle, and we haven't broken out of the triangle yet. If we do break up above the upper side of the triangle, which I am currently monitoring or watching, then of course, the target for this triangle is much higher. It's, I think, somewhere around 41,000 thereabout. If we do break below it, it might not spell good news. We probably may be coming all the way down to about 3,000. Should go, break below the lower side of the triangle. Um, because as I'll show you briefly also, there are some bearish tone. I'm not always going to speak of the bullish without also showing what looks bearish. That's what makes trading interesting. You got bulls, you got bears, and you got to look at both sides and see who has the upper hand and who could probably be winning. Okay, so on the daily, this is what I'm tracking. On the weekly, we're still in a consolidation. All this move here that you see here for all this while, we're not going higher, we're not going lower. We seem to be trapped within the zone. So for me, this is still consolidation. It's still sideways, as I was showing you on the daily setup. Nothing here is for certain. If we do break below here, we might find support at the 21, which is about 3,200. So until we break below this level, it's still sideways for me. I'm long term on gold, so I don't worry about the fluctuations that I see on consolidation until we break a key support or a key resistance level. I still stay in my gold trade. When I step down to the, I think the 4 hours, so the 4 hours is of where I see concern on gold. Let me see if I can zoom this out a bit and share my perspective on the 4 hour setup. Okay, so as we inch into a lower time frame, on 4 hours, ever since we hit this low, which was somewhere around June 29th, that was a low that came to the 50 period average. And I'll show you on the daily chart, where I almost lost my confidence that the uptrend was still intact. That was here, somewhere around here. So on somewhere around here, we did close below the 50 period moving average, and we were able to reclaim it. And all through this week, we have been able to stay above our 50 period moving average. For me, this is the line in the sand. Any close, any candle that breaks loose below the 50 period moving average on gold on the daily setup could tell me that we'll probably be coming much higher. And like I said, we'll probably be coming all the way down to about 3,000, somewhere here, about 3,000, about 3,036. Okay. So that's one thing to keep in mind as I examine the setup on the lower time frame of the 4 hours. The good news on this 4 hour chart is that ever since we hit that low, we've been making higher lows. Okay, we haven't made a higher high significantly, but we're making higher lows, higher lows. I see this as all consolidation, absorption, maybe big players accumulating on gold, but it's still sideways for me, even on the lower time frame. At least we're not breaking down. And when I see these levels, it gives me confidence to stay in my trade. So in the coming week, I'm neutral still on gold until we break out of this triangle, that I have on the daily setup. So I would update my target once we break out of this triangle. But for now, I'm neutral on gold. I think gold will still chop inside this triangle sideways until we break out of it. And then from there, we would reassess. So that's my assessment on gold in the coming week. Thanks for your time. I wish everyone a profitable trading week. Cheers.